Hello everyone, my name is Patrick Bibilio Pinales from Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering 1A. My reflection about the documentary film The Operation directed by Mark Arbar Jennifer about a proceeding analysis of the contemporary cooperation and its social impact and present truth and insightful perspective. The film delves into the concept of corporate personhood, drawing cooperation between corporate behavior, and the characteristic of a psychopath. This reflection paper aims to delve into a comprehensive and critical assessment of the documentary, discussing in its central themes, arguments, and application for comprehending corporate power in today's society. A core theme explored in the corporation is the ideas of corporate personhood, which refers to the legal recognition of corporations as persons possessing rights and responsibilities. Talking to individuals, the film prints of history development, corporate conduct through case studies and interviews with legal respect. The documentary challenges the nation of corporate personhood, promoting reflection on the accountability of corporation for the action. The film addressing philosophic traits in the corporation, drawing from physiologist Robert Hare research, highlighting lack of empathy and disregard for others' rights. Interviews with executive rebels, profit-driving motives overshadowing ethics. It also explores societal and environmental impacts, exposing resource exploitation, labor exploitation, and public opinion manipulation for profit. The documentary emphasizes the urgent necessity for corporate accountability and regulation. Additionally, the corporation builds into the intricate is between corporation and government, external how corporate interests influence political discussion, making through interviews with key figures, including politicians and activities. The documentary uncovers the pervasive influence of corporate power on public policy, highlight the need for reform in the corporate governance and campaign finance. The critical analysis underscore the urgency and addressing systemic issue to uphold documentary principles. In conclusion, the corporation offers a critique of corporation power and social impacts by challenging notion of corporate personhood and illustrate corporate and psychopathic rights. The film encourages viewers and revelate the role of corporation to today's society. Furthermore, by shedding light on the environmental and social of corporate action, and the documentary advocates for mindful first ensure corporate accountability. This reflection paper provides a truth evaluation of the corporation, exploring its central themes and implication for understanding corporate influence. Truth engage with the film's complex issue. Viewers are permitted to reflect on broader implication and advocate 4. Substantive reforms promoting social justice and corporate responsibility.
Going